Let's take an in-depth look at the portfolio menu in Beyond Labs. To access the portfolio menu, select the fourth icon from the top on the toolbar on the far left side of your screen. Once on this page, you can select the specific group that you'd like to view student information from. To access a student's lab book, select the lab book icon to the right of their name. To view how long a student took to complete a lab, as well as each action in the lab, select the View LabCam button. This will then allow you to view all of the timestamps associated with a student's lab. To filter out information only from a specific lab bench, select the lab bench that you'd like to filter by in the top left. To leave a note that a student will be able to see as instructor notes, printed in red, simply type a message in the text bar below, then select Enter. To view a student's responses on an assignment, select the checkbox to the right of the score box. To add feedback that a student will see, select the Add Feedback button and then select Save Changes. To adjust a student's score, you can adjust the score given in the box below the question, then select Save Changes. You can adjust the score manually, or you can select Full Credit All Parts and it will give max possible points. Then select Save Changes. To export all current student scores for every assignment, select the Export CSV button. Options will then be presented to you to filter out data that you can choose to be present within the file. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at Beyond Labs Support. You can do that by emailing us directly at support@beyondlabs.com. Thanks!